In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation bar in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive navigation sitting exactly where it should, at the top of your page, ready to guide visitors through your site. Before we begin, make sure your project is open in Framer and that you have a frame or page on the canvas where the navigation will live. It helps to zoom so you can see the top edge clearly, because that's where we'll place the component. With that set, let's get started. First, open the Insert menu. You'll find it in the Framer interface as a panel or button labeled Insert, typically near the top left area of the editor. Opening Insert reveals a library of ready-made elements and components, from basic shapes to fully designed patterns. This is where Framer really speeds up your workflow, because you can add complex, responsive pieces without building them from scratch. Inside the Insert panel, look for the Navigation category. Clicking Navigation shows a curated set of pre-built nav bars that cover common use cases, like logo on the left with links on the right, centered menus, or options with a built-in mobile toggle. Take a moment to glance at the thumbnails and choose the style that best matches your layout and brand direction. The good news is that these options are designed to be responsive out of the box, so they adapt elegantly as your design scales. Now, add your selection to the canvas by dragging and dropping the chosen navigation bar. Click, hold, and drag it onto the page frame, aiming for the very top. As you position it, watch for smart guides to help you snap to the top edge and center alignment. If you see the page frame highlight, that's a good sign you're placing the component inside the correct parent. Release to drop it into place. If it looks a bit narrow or wide, most nav components will stretch to fill the width of the frame, keeping spacing and paddings consistent. Once it's on the page, you'll notice many navigation components include default items like a placeholder logo, example links, and even built-in mobile behavior. That means you can focus on content and styling rather than wiring up interactions from scratch. Later, you can refine text labels, swap the logo, and adjust colors and typography directly in the component's properties so everything matches your design system. And that's it. Open Insert, choose Navigation, then drag and drop the bar onto your frame. A lightweight, professional navigation is now part of your page, ready to guide users and anchor your layout as you continue designing.